Welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to deliver speech on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Good morning to the Excellencies, Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I stand before you to speak about a true hero of Indian history, the legendary Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Born in 1630, he was not just a king, he was a visionary leader, a fearless warrior, and a champion of justice. His life story is a tale of courage and agility that has left a permanent mark on our culture and historical landscape. He founded the Maratha Empire and transformed combat with his innovative tactics. His genius and strategic mind allowed him to overcome difficult challenges and establish a kingdom known for its efficient governance. In 1674, he was crowned Chhatrapati, symbolizing the birth of an independent Maratha kingdom. He was a leader who cared for his people irrespective of their background. His administrative reforms and emphasis on a fair society laid the foundation for a prosperous Maratha Empire. Even today, his legacy echoes as a beacon of courage, leadership, and the pursuit of justice. Let us draw the inspiration from the great Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and strive to outdo his ideals in our own lives. Thank you all.